Some familiar faces. One of them the local girl. New local as well. Born in these parts. Ajla Del Ponte. Some stiff opposition today. More so than the lady in lane 4, just inside her. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, 34 years of age, born in Kingston, 3-time Olympic champion, 9-time world champion, 4-time Diamond League winner.
Corsia 7 dalla Germania, Alexandra Burkhardt.
Wasinska is out in lane 8. Alexander Burghardt of Germany in lane 7. Another Jamaican lady goes in lane 6, Natasha Morrison. Now listen to the cheer.
Corsia 5. Quinta ai Giochi Olimpici di Tokyo, quarta alla 400, che infligge nel record svizzero il 10,90, Ajla Del Ponte!
In corsia 4, a
You can hear understandably popular in these parts. And here she is, the legend herself.
Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce.
Oh, pretty big cheer for her. Nice to hear.
Another
Swiss goes in lane 3. Mujinga Kambunji. The red hair will tell you. So in lane 2 we have Michelle Lee Aya from Trinidad and Tobago.
In corsia 1 per la Svizzera,
the third Swiss in this race. He's in lane 1. Leone Pointe. Their favourite, obviously, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. But what can Ajla Del Ponte and Natasha Morrison do to threaten that status? Record belonging to the great Marlinotti, 10.95. Set way back in 1996. The world lead, Elaine Thompson-Herah, 10.54. And a clean starts. She's going well in lane 3, Kambunji, but now she starts to accelerate and she's moving away. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, 10.78. She crushes the meet record. Fantastic run and a fantastic time. And she beats a fellow Jamaican great, Marlinotti's meet record that stood at 10.95. Absolutely obliterated. And Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, fantastic start from Mujinga Kambunji in lane 3. She holds on. Breaking 11 seconds, Kambunji to take second ahead of Ajla Del Ponte. Will be slightly disappointed in her performance. National record holder Del Ponte, 10.90.
Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, a name etched deeply in the annals of track and field, continues to reshape what's possible in the world of sprinting. In 2021, the Jamaican icon delivered yet another breathtaking display of speed and precision, clocking an incredible 10.78 seconds. At the age of 34, she not only clinched first place but also shattered a meet record that had stood unchallenged since 1996, eclipsing the 10.95-second benchmark with authority. Anticipation buzzed around the women's 100-meter final, which featured a competitive lineup, including Switzerland's Ajla Del Ponte and fellow Jamaican sprinter Natasha Morrison. With a storied résumé of 3 Olympic titles, 9 World Championship golds, and multiple Diamond League triumphs, Fraser-Pryce entered the race as the clear favorite. Even against a formidable field, her command over the sprint discipline remained unbroken. From the moment the gun fired, Fraser-Pryce displayed a masterclass in sprinting mechanics, launching out of the blocks with her signature explosiveness. By the halfway point, she had already distanced herself from the pack. Her closing speed in the final meters left no room for doubt as she blazed past the finish line. Del Ponte followed with a superb sub-11 showing, while Morrison took third, reinforcing Jamaica's elite status in women's sprints. To perform at such a high level into one's mid-30s is almost unheard of in a sport where youth often prevails. Yet Fraser-Pryce defies the norm. While others fade, she remains dominant, a testament to her methodical training, razor-sharp focus, and undying commitment to her craft. Her endurance, both physical and mental, is nothing short of legendary. This victory added another chapter to her storied legacy, which began with Olympic glory in Beijing in 2008 and has since spanned multiple world titles. What distinguishes her most is her consistency, her ability to stay at the top in a highly demanding discipline. Her career is built on resilience, precision, and an iron will to remain the best. Looking toward the 2025 track season, Fraser-Pryce remains a centerpiece in the global athletics narrative. Fans are eager to see her compete alongside a new generation of Jamaican speedsters, such as Shericka Jackson and the dynamic twin duo Tina and Tia Clayton. With such talent around her, fireworks are guaranteed as the sprint season unfolds. But Fraser-Pryce's influence goes well beyond medals and records. As a mother and a passionate advocate for women in sport, she stands as a beacon of empowerment and inspiration. Her story is about more than victories. It's about breaking barriers, embracing challenges, and lifting others along the way. She has proven that age is no obstacle for those driven by purpose and passion. Her 2021 performance, viewed in hindsight, stands as one of the clearest reflections of her brilliance. To dominate against world-class athletes at that stage of her career speaks volumes about her extraordinary gifts and mental toughness. These are the moments that remind fans why sprinting continues to captivate hearts across the globe. With each competition, Fraser-Pryce adds to her already towering legacy. She doesn't just race, she redefines history with every stride. As we move closer to the 2025 season, the world waits in anticipation, ready to witness more history from the iconic pocket rocket, whose journey continues to inspire and amaze.